Welcome back guys. In today's video we're gonna show you that how to wrap your hand wraps, and like the use of hand wraps is for protecting your knuckles and your wrist. There's a major two difference while you wear a hand wraps. Whether you are fighting in fight, you have to focus on your knuckles, and whether if you're training for on a heavy bag or just practicing shadow boxing, you have to focus on your wrist because there's a high chance that your wrist could be broken if you in your practice. Let's begin. Let's start. So this is a Everlast boxing wrap that I always prefer, and according to your O size, like ounces, you can order your hand wraps. I personally prefer Everlast because it's kind of really have the good quality, and this is 180-inch hand wrap. So starting with, I want to show you guys this sticker. This sticker should be under your wrist, okay? Always remember that, because if if it would be like this, the whole process of wearing hand wraps would be waste, okay? So let's begin. So first, I personally call this as a close grip wearing hand wrap method, because this method is kind of used in MMA, Muay Thai, boxing, karate, and sometimes in judo also. So for now, I'm focusing on my wrist because I'm not gonna fight anyone. So I'm not gonna focus on my on my knuckles. So as you can see in this part, if you are kind of fighting someone or having a sparring match, you can have 5 or 6 rolls of this on your knuckles and 3 or 2 on your wrist. But for now, we'll just have 4, and we'll have 5 or 6 on our wrist. Always remember guys, where you're when you're wearing your hand wraps, you should open your palms, because if you don't, and at the end when you just tighten that up, it would stop your blood circulation, and it's not good for your body. So this is, I personally call it close grip, because as you can see over here that I've covered my thumb, I have covered even my index finger, everything. Some fighters don't cover their thumbs and they just focus on these 4 fingers, but I do for my own safety, as you can see. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys learned how to wear your hand wraps. And before ending this video, I'm gonna tell you guys one tip for boxing. As you know, in boxing, that your forearms and your grip should be very strong for having those kind of uppercuts and hooks. I'm basically talking about the punches or the combos that are especially for inside fighters. So I have one exercise for that. It's finger push-ups. If you do at least 10 of these daily with consistency, I kind of guarantee you guys that your grip and your forearms will be really great. Okay, so I will just show you guys one example of it. So as you know, I was working for my shoulders. So you can broaden your hands for having like being a beginner, being an intermediate, and being an advanced. So you can just level up yourself and just you can just go ahead. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and always remember that motivation cannot take you places where discipline can. And I personally feel so. This quote is like when when I just like for the first time I heard this quote, it just like got me goosebumps. So that's it, guys. Like, share, comment, and just smash that subscribe button.